The installation in this vehicle is going to be in the driver's side area right above the gas pedal. You guys are not going to need any tools. This is a fast and super easy install. Right here is the gas pedal, and right above it you will see the smart key module right there. There are 3 connectors in it. They are all white. The only one we will use is the one closest to the firewall. On the wiring harness, you will see 2 white connectors that will basically tee into that one connector in the smart key module. We will go ahead and unplug that one connector in the smart key module, and then we will plug in the 2 connectors and we will show you how. And that is all there is to the wiring harness install. I find it easiest to plug into the factory harness first, and then into the smart key module up there. Once you guys have the wiring harness installed, you can tuck the access above and behind the ear vent for the footwell area right here. There's a panel right here, right next to where your foot is on the gas pedal, that you can pop off and secure and tuck the module right behind it. Alright, we will give you guys a quick demo on the factory key fob. You're going to press the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now you're going to give it a few seconds for the electronics to turn on, and the engine is started. And when you are ready to go, press the unlock button. That gives you a 45-second delay to get into the car and get going. Once you're in the car, all you have to do is tap and release the brake pedal, and you're ready to go.